Hello everyone, good afternoon. Today we are going to discuss about SAP maintenance processing and maintenance notification. Okay, so now I'm coming on my Excel sheet. So today we will discuss about maintenance processing, execution and maintenance notification. So first, what is the let's see what is the purpose to create or perform maintenance processing and execution. So basic maintenance processing reduce complex plant maintenance process to the necessary minimum and simplified the overall process. The process uses a simplified web user interface to map the basic plant maintenance process. Since the process has been kept simple, the learning time is short. It is therefore possible to process a repair using many planning stages, such as a preliminary costing, work scheduling, material provision, resource planning, and permit. However, it is possible to react immediately to damage events causing production shutdown and to produce required order and shop paper with a minimum of entries in the shortest possible time. Okay, now you use this application component in maintenance processing in the event of malfunction or expectational situation. So what we can do by using maintenance processing, so we can describe the problems of an technical object, request the maintenance department to perform necessary tasks, document work that has been performed, we can describe here, and maintenance notification, document maintenance tasks completely and make them available for analysis in long term. You can use them for preliminary planning and execution of tasks. Okay, now what is the process flow? What is the process which will be happening during maintenance processing? So the creation of notification in basic maintenance processing comprise the following step. You create a notification, then enter a description of the problem and the reporter. Then you can also specify the effect piece of equipment with its location and route. You can also select the priority, and you also have the option of creating a long text to describe the problem in detail. You can specify whatever the malfunction is a breakdown. Okay, then notification can be deleted as long as no service provider has been requested. The notification then has the status flag for the deletion. So this is the process flow of maintenance processing. Okay, now maintenance processing can be divided into the following three areas. First one is a description of object condition. Second one is a execution of maintenance task, and third one is a completion of maintenance task. So let's see what will be happen in description of the object condition. So the most important element in this area is maintenance notification. This is used to describe the condition of technical object or to report a malfunction at a technical object and request the damage is repaired. Okay, so in first stage we can maintain detail related to malfunction of a technical object. Okay, and this stage is known as a maintenance notification. And second one is a execution of maintenance task. In this phase, basically we will perform maintenance activity and maintenance operation. We will perform maintenance execution to complete the maintenance work order. And the most important element in this area is maintenance order. This is used to plan the execution of maintenance activity in detail, monitor the progress of work, and settle the cost of maintenance task. So this is about execution of maintenance task, and third one is a completion of maintenance task. This is the last one. The most important element in this area is a maintenance history. This is used for long-term saving of the most important maintenance data. This data can be called up for evaluation at any time. Okay, and the last one will be maintenance history. We can utilize this data for long-term very long term, and we can analyze, we can evaluate this data for next malfunction or next maintenance execution. Okay, these elements allow you to process all the tasks that must be executed in plant maintenance as well as operation which do not belong directly to plant maintenance, such as investment, restructuring, modification, and so on. So this is totally about the maintenance processing. Okay, and we have discussed about it. We can divide into different three ways. Now you can see here by this picture. Okay, first one will be the operation, and then we will do maintenance planning. Then it will be execute in maintenance workshop, and then it will be complete, and it is known as a maintenance history. Okay, so first malfunction request activity will be performed, and PM notification will be created. Then in planning stage, planning of organizational task and creation of work order and planning of execution will be done. Then in maintenance workshop, execution will be done with in this stage we will withdraw material and procurement related and procurement activity will be happen related to parts, and some work step will be happen. Then this is how this stage will be complete, and now we can come in a last phase known as a maintenance history. In this phase, all the detail of technical object can be mentioned and will be reflect. Okay, and now we can analysis and we evaluate this data for upcoming breakdown or maintenance activity. Okay, on the now we can move on the next topic, and this is a new thing. So on the basis of maintenance processing and execution, there are three different of maintenance process. First one is a corrective maintenance, second one is a breakdown maintenance, third one is a preventive maintenance. So let's see what is a corrective maintenance. In corrective maintenance, you correct a malfunction or machine failure by raising a notification in the system. The work order is received by the technician who enter the information, and an authorized person in the PM system approve and complete the work as per the work order. Okay, you perform corrective maintenance to improve the condition of the machine. It is the perform when a malfunction is detected and the machine is not operating properly as per designated function. Okay, in certain scenario, a corrective work order is created as a result of preventive work order. When a routine checkup is performed, the technician find a failure or a malfunction in the operating machine, and a correct work order is created to clear the fault. Okay, corrective maintenance contain all the process step involved in the preventive maintenance and regular maintenance process. Corrective maintenance involved in the following step under the plant maintenance, and the step is given below. Let's see what is the step. So the plant maintenance user enters a notification in SAP system to request maintenance and to repair defective equipment. The maintenance planner creates plan schedule a maintenance work order in the system. The work order is received by the technician, and authorized person in the PM system approve and completes the work as per the work order. Okay, now the second one is the breakdown maintenance, and breakdown maintenance is carried out when your equipment has a breakdown and it is not working, and in breakdown maintenance production is affected. In SAP system, PM02 order type is used to perform breakdown maintenance order where there is a malfunction of any of the equipment which required a response from the maintenance team. The process of correcting this situation is known as a breakdown maintenance, and breakdown maintenance is required the following step. The steps are: equipment is not working properly, production is affected when equipment's breakdown, and you create a M2 malfunction notification and PM02 order type, and equipment is required at the site. In breakdown maintenance, you use catalog and code in notification. And this is how we have completed the second one, breakdown maintenance, and third one is a preventive maintenance. So in preventive maintenance, routine checkup are performed according to company maintenance strategy to ensure that maintenance are running as per the required parameter. Okay, in SAP PM using routine maintenance plan, you can create the preventive work order. Okay, there are some notes, and in SAP system, PM01 is the order type to perform corrective maintenance, and PM03 is to perform preventive maintenance. Okay, now this is how we have completed the topic. Okay, the type of maintenance process. Now I'm coming on this new topic. the standard maintenance notification type. Okay, so maintenance notification means with which notification are created and managed in the area of plant maintenance. The following notification type are predefined in the SAP system or standard system. So maintenance request M1 is, and second one is a maintenance malfunction M2, and activity report is a M3. So when we are going to request for the to perform task, okay, we can create notification as a M1 type, or we can choose M1 notification type. We can choose M2 type in case of notification of malfunction or problem that has occurred. And in last one is a activity report is a M3. So we can choose M3 notification type for the documentation of activity that have been performed. Okay, so these are the three standard notification type in SAP system, which are predefined in SAP standard system. In addition to these standard notification type, you can also define your own specific notification type. You can configure the screen or the individual notification type in customizing. Okay, so this is the things related to notification type. Now I'm coming on the next. Okay, so let's see what is let's see what is notification type. So there are three different type of notification type. First one is a maintenance M1 maintenance request. Second one is a malfunction report, and third one is a activity report. Okay, so M1 so M1 maintenance request are targeted instruction to the maintenance department to perform an activity in the manner described. Okay, and the decisive factor in this case is that there is no malfunction. Okay, it is created whenever there is a malfunction on equipment, but equipment is in running condition. Notification creation by production or and maintenance. Okay, the second one is a M2 malfunction report. M2 malfunction report describe a malfunction at an object that affect its performance in some respect. Okay, it is created whenever we require to change any object part or there is a breakdown on equipment. Notification creation by production and maintenance department. Okay, and the third one is a maintenance M3 activity report. M3 activity report describe a maintenance or service activity already performed or on that was not the result of a malfunction or damage. Okay, it simply provide a technical documentation of which activity are performed, when and with what result. Okay, activity reports are therefore used for the technical confirmation of maintenance and service activities. Okay, it is created by maintenance people whenever they saw any activity during the inspection. For example, oiling some part of machine, vibration on any machine due to loosening of bolt, etc. Then they create an activity report that they saw and done some activity on the equipment at same point. Notification creation by the maintenance department. Okay, now you can see the as per the business process, standard notification type is M1 for breakdown, sorry, M1 M2 for breakdown, and M1 M2 for breakdown and M1 for corrective. For preventive refurbishment and calibration, we are not creating any notification type. Okay, or you can create customized notification as per your choice. H1, H2, E3, H, okay, D3, D2, okay, or C2 you can create. Now I'm going to discuss standard notification type, notification origin, and notification category. So it will be very helpful during your configuration. Whenever you are going to configure maintenance notification type, there are three different type of notification, and for each notification type there are given some notification origin. Is a 01 maintenance request as, and second one is a 01 malfunction report and 01 activity report, and for each notification origin the notification category will be maintenance notification. Okay, now I'm going to discuss something. So So what will be the maintenance cycle for the external service? Okay. First I'm going to correct maintenance cycle. So the document flow contain all the document type created during the order processing. The following document are displayed. Okay. So now I'm coming on the next one. First, what will be the maintenance cycle for the stocked item or general maintenance? Okay, general breakdown maintenance. So first we will create notification. Field workers send notification. Okay, then notification approval. Okay, I think it is a different topic, no need to discuss. Now I'm coming on the maintenance cycle for the non-stock item. Okay, suppose your machine got breakdown and you are going to perform some maintenance activity or maintenance operation. So what will be the cycle if some material, if spare part or material are not in your stock? So what will be happen, and what will be the maintenance cycle? So first we will create notification, then we will create work order, then we will change control key PM02, and then purchase requisition automatically created for the necessary part. Then purchase order will be generated by team, then necessary part will be received, then necessary part will be issued to work order. Okay, and then plan and approval will be happen for against work order, then schedule and release the work order, then work order will be being executed, and then work order will be closed. So this is the one complete cycle for maintenance execution or maintenance processing for non-stock item if material or spare part is not in your stock. Okay, and the okay, so and then the cycle will be in the same manner. First we will create notification, then we will create maintenance order, then purchase requisition will be purchase requisition automatically created by system, then we can go for request for quotation, then we can go for purchase order, then we can go for create service entry sheet, invoice posting, order time confirmation, notification takeover, and maintenance order takeover and done. So this cycle will be applicable for for external services when we are going to take some external service, okay, from the external vendor. Okay, so these are the things related to maintenance notification and maintenance processing. Now I'm coming on the next things. What is the control key? So control key, the control key is a default value which define how an operation should be proceed. Normally system take the default control key from the work center. It will be applied in the operation time. Okay, there are three different type of control key are as follow. First one is a PM01, PM02, and PM03. So PM1, the assignment is a processed by an internal work center. Okay, so PM01, plant maintenance internal, this key is used for the execution of the job internally by maintenance engineer, technician, or foreman. Okay, the cost will be calculated by defining the activity type and activity rate by CO. When confirmation of operation or order has been done, the cost will be booked against the cost center. Okay, the second one is a PM02. The external procurement is processed by a purchase requisition followed with an individual purchase order. PM02, plant maintenance external. Okay, this key is used for the subcontracting process when you send a material to outside vendor with spare part by gate pass and job executed by them and return back to the company. Charges for the service, the bill will be paid to vendor by GR has been done by store department when receive back the material after the service. Okay, and the third one is a PM03, external assignment is a processed using an external operation with a service specification and followed by a service entry sheet. Okay, and this key is used for the execution of the job by external agencies in the client place. Say example, some vendor are coming outside service provider with work order and PO and execute the job. Once the job is done, the bill will be approved through the service entry sheet. So this is how you can understand what is the basic difference between PM01, PM02 and PM03 control key. Okay, now I'm coming on the difference. So there are difference between PM02 and PM03. So the process flow is then PR, PO, GR, IR, and in PM03, the process will be process flow is then PR, PO, service entry sheet, and IR. PM02 is for external work. It can be material or service or external work. PM03 is external service or manpower hiring or any manpower related cost flow. Okay, it does not involve material as per my knowledge. Okay, if you use PM02 control key, the system will create a free text PR using the data that you have entered. Okay, and with PM02 control key, you will see a new services sub tab at operation level. Here you can enter multiple service of different unit of measurement. In PM02, whatever it is material or service or other, you do good receive invoice and do payment. In PM03, you create PR, PO, service entry sheet, accept it, and invoice and payment. Okay, the process flow is then PR, PO, CR, IR. The process flow is then PR, PO, service entry sheet, and plan cost will be reflected with reference of the material master. Plan cost will be reflected with reference of service master. Actual cost will be reflected after goods received. Actual cost will be reflect after the service entry sheet accept. So these are the basic difference between PM02 and PM03 control key. Okay. Now I'm going to discuss with you the last one. What is the system status and user status? So there are two different type of status. First one is a system status, second one is a user status. And what is the system status? So it is the set by system and it will be updated automatically based on the business transaction. And second one is a user status. These user status as per the name should be updated by the user manually. A user status is activated by user. Okay, now this is right now we have completed today topic about maintenance notification and maintenance notification in detail. Now I'm going on my server. Here I will show you how we can create notification. So if you want to create notification, you need to use T code IW21. This is the transaction code. Now you need to press enter. Here you can see, okay, here is that you can see this field is given as a notification type. From here you can choose different type of notification. Okay, there are three different type of notification type. First one is as I had earlier discussed with you, M1 for maintenance request, second one is M2 for malfunction report, and third one is activity report. If I am going to suppose one of equipment got breakdown, so what we need to do, we can choose maintenance notification type as a M2, and these three notification type is a predefined by SAP system. Okay, or SAP standard system, as a standard system. Now I have selected M2 and then I will press enter. Okay, what will be happen? Here I will enter the matter for which region equipment got breakdown. Suppose engine got siege, I will mention here. Okay, now I can choose, I need to choose here equipment, then I need to mention the detail or description. So when, one second, I think it is okay. Okay, I think it is not working fine. When we visit near machine, we found that equipment engine got seized. Okay, equipment engine got seized. Okay, Now we need to use some take some equipment. So now I'm going to take equipment list by T code IH08. Then I will press enter. What will be happen? So here I will choose 1710 plant as a standard plant. Then I will execute. Whatever the equipment will be there, I can pick. Okay. So I am going to check or I'm going to select gearbox. Okay. So I can choose this one. I think it is sometime it is not working fine. Here I can use equipment, and in this case bearing got seized. Bearing. I think it is not working fine. It is quite slow. But so you can see here we need to maintain breakdown region. Then we can maintain here some description, and all the detail will come from the equipment. If I will press enter, you can see function location is picking and equipment detail is picking here. Planner group, planning plant, work center, and again planning plant is picking. Okay. Now I'm going to got damage. Okay. Here we can okay. It is just quite slow. So you can see notification date is to current date. Now we can choose date as per our choice. Priority we can choose as a high, medium, low. We need to click on it. Again, required start we can choose as a 8 o'clock morning. So it will ask, do you want to specify new date? No need to. So here we need to mention malfunction start date. So whenever your machine got breakdown, you can enter malfunction start date and time. So I am going to select 8 o'clock morning and then enter. Okay. So what we have done, we have maintained all the detail. I will try to okay. Okay. So I will correct the matter. Then I will press on enter. Then what I will do, I will click on this flag, green flag, put in process. Okay, then I will press enter, click on this flag, and then I will save it. Okay, now you can see this is how we have created this notification successfully. Okay, if when your machine got recover, okay, when you will recover this machine from breakdown to actual condition, we need to close this maintenance notification. So how we can close this notification? So we need to go back. Okay, we need to go back. I will go back. I will use T code IW 22. Then I will press enter, and system will automatically pick the previous notification number, and then what we will do, we will come on this here I will mention current date, and if machine got breakdown for 1 hour, I will use the time, and you can see the breakdown duration is 1 hour, it's showing. I will come in notification header, and here I will, 1 second, here I will enter required end date, and I will 9. Okay, so this part is totally related to catalog profile. So in next, so okay, so you can use the object part, which object part got breakdown. So we need to use bearing, what is the damage code. Okay, 1 second. So bearing breakage, which what is the damage reason? So breakage, crack, bearing damage. Okay, I will use bearing got damage. Okay, then causes. From here we can choose causes. What? So insufficient lubrication, deflection, corrosion, breakage. So I will choose breakage. Okay, due to breakage. Okay, so this part is totally related to your catalog profile. Now I will press enter. Again I will come on item level. Here you can see all the detail will automatically reflecting here. I will come on causes. Here you can see task level, you can see. So from here what we will do, we can choose what we have done, replace the part. We have done only replace the part, replace parts. Okay, then press enter. What we will do, again come in activity, then I will choose activity what we have done. So we have part replace, the same activity I will mention, replace parts. Again press enter. I will come on the task. Here I need to check lubrication, replace part. Okay, again replace the part, press enter. I need to release the flag. Okay, I need to select this. First what I have done, I have select this and release the flag. Okay, then I will come in activity. What activity I have performed, I need to mention here. I have just replaced the part. Again replace the part. The date and time we can mention 08/28 current date I am using, because I have done this activity today, and you can see, and in the task it will come, okay, automatically. Okay, I will come on item level and task level. What I will do, I will select this line item and release this flag. Okay, and status will be changed. Okay, now this is how we have completed all these things. Okay, start date I need to mention here. Auto clock 28, 1 second, 23, 9 o'clock. So in the same manner we can close this notification. So I will come on the notification tab and I will click on this flag complete, and this is, it is showing the function you have selected cannot carry out. What is the reason? Because we need to we have missing some part. Okay, so I need to check causes, task. Again I need to complete this. Okay, otherwise it will not give a chance to release this flag, sorry, complete this notification. And you can see task is completed, is showing. Now I will come on the next, again notification tab, and then I will try to complete it. And you can see we are able to put new reference date and time. So I will choose current date, and I will choose reference date as a 9/30. Okay, and this is how we have completed this notification. So in the same manner you can create notification. You can see notification is completed, notification number is completed. Okay, so this is how you can create notification you can complete the notification. If you want to display notification, you need to use T code IW23, and system will pick it, and you can press enter, and you can see what is the reason bearing got damaged, or which equipment. This is equipment, where this equipment is installed, this function location. Okay, what is the reason? When we visit the near machine, we found that bearing got damaged. On which date it is happening? Okay, first I have created notification. Now I'm going to analysis this report. Okay, so on which date? This is the 28 and 8 o'clock. Okay, when it required start or end? So it happened 28 8 o'clock, and it end at 28 9 o'clock. What was the object part got damaged? So bearing was the object part which was damaged. Okay, and what is the bearing? What is the reason? Sorry, what is the damage? Bearing damage. What is the text code? Bearing got damage. What are the causes? Breakage. Okay, so this is how you can analysis these things on the basis of catalog profile. Okay, and here I have mentioned related to malfunction data, when malfunction start and when malfunction end. Okay, then you can analysis all the details relate at a item level, task level, or activity level. Okay, so this is how we have completed our today's session. Okay, now so now I'm going to stop today's session. Okay, 1 second, please. In this sheet, what I have done, I have mentioned all the detail, how we can create notification and what is the details. Okay, so you can see how to create notification. Just I had missed this. I have missed this. Okay, so SAP plant maintenance notification play an important role in maintenance plant. Okay, in SAP plant maintenance, it is used to notify maintenance department about the abnormal or expectational situation in technical object at plant. It is also used for plant maintenance activity to notify the planner. So I have mentioned all the things which I had performed in my server. Okay, you can go through Excel sheet and you can analysis what is the things in SAP PM system, and how we can create notification. Okay, all the detail I have mentioned here. So okay, due to time consent, I'm going to stop today's session. Okay, in next session we will connect and we will discuss. Okay, bye, take care, and thanks so much. Okay, thanks for watching my video. Bye.